Ride along as I fly a 2D, non-precision RNAV approach to practice one technique for leveling off while using the Autopilot to maintain the lateral track and hold the MDA until reaching the missed approach point. I flew from Boeing Field in Seattle to William Fairchild International Airport at Port Angeles, Washington, on the north side of the Olympic Peninsula. It's a scenic flight that takes you close to Naval Air Station Whidbey Island and the Coast Guard Air Station Port Angeles. I started the RNAV GPS runway 27 at JAWBN and then flew 2 intermediate legs to the final approach fix at FAMUV, descending as charted along the way. The procedure is a 2D non-precision approach that provides LP minimums to an MDA of 760 feet. It requires 1 statute mile visibility. Note that the VDP is 1.5 nautical miles from the missed approach point. Normally, I treat a VDP as the decision point and go missed if the runway environment isn't in sight. But on this approach, if you are prepared, continuing at the MDA in low visibility for about another half mile could reveal the runway, with time in a typical single-engine piston to descend about 500 feet to a landing on the 5,000 feet remaining past the displaced threshold. That's where using the Autopilot to maintain the MDA and track toward the runway could help as you look for the runway. But you must understand and practice using the functions of your Autopilot to avoid confusion during this critical phase of flight. On this practice approach, I use the control wheel steering feature of the GFC 600 to smoothly level off at the MDA, and then I selected altitude hold to maintain that altitude to the missed approach point. Some autopilots, like the popular GFC 500, don't have a CWS function. In that case, selecting altitude hold usually works. But you should practice using the avionics in your airplane on a nice VFR day, as I did in this video, to ensure you understand the best technique to use while flying a 2D approach if you decide to continue past a VDP or the intersection of an advisory glide path and the MDA.
All right, so I've set up the RNAV 27 approach into Port Angeles. That's LP plus V advisory glide path. Minimums to a 760 MDA. We're going to start at JAWBN. We're heading direct there now at 4,500, which is the intercept altitude. Next leg will go down to 37, down to 3,000 in the final approach fix at FAMUV, and then down to 760. We do have an intermediate step-down fix of 1620 at SEPT, which is in the list. We're planning just a low approach. There's some runway closures and taxiway closures up there. Runway closure doesn't affect us because of the wingspan, but the taxiways would make it kind of messy. We'll go back out and we'll do the approach to runway 9 and then head to Brewerton. So on this approach, to level off at the 760 and maintain the autopilot function, we'll just press the altitude button or the control wheel steering button to level off and then engage altitude to make sure we capture that and don't go below the MDA. We've moved up the approach. We'll fly the published miss out towards the altitude for the hold, and then we can turn back inbound. That's about where the other approach starts. Okay, we're about 30 seconds from JAWBN where we're making a turn to about 260.
10 more 2028, 3,500 mile north of Whidbey Island Airport, via Autopilot. 10 more 2020 would be approach up 3000, clock 2646. 0002646, 10 more 2020.
If you'll full stable, we've got landing light on. Gauges are all where we want them. Power is set for the moment. We've got 11 miles to Kobux. We'll reduce power when we get close to our Proper
Flying, I'm
descent.
staying here 35 to 120. Westwing revenue, India flying at about 3,500. At about 3,500.
Everything is set up for the approach.
Foxtrot
5 miles from the top of descent. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and reduce our power now. Set up for the descent in 1 minute. Ejects approach flaps. Down we come. Fairchild traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot's about 16 miles east on a practice low approach runway 27. We'll break it off early as necessary. Fairchild traffic.
Fairchild traffic, Cessna 97 Juliet, right downwind, runway 27, Fairchild traffic.
And we want to be at 3,000 at FAMUV, correction, 3,700 at Flux, and then down to 3,000 at FAMUV, 37. Okay, our glide path is coming in. LP plus V is enunciated. The plan will be to use the control wheel steering to level off above 760 the MDA and then engage altitude hold mode. Once we've confirmed that we've made the altitude. If you don't have control wheel steering, you could just press the altitude hold, but you need to anticipate how long it's going to take your airplane to level off. I find it might take about 100 feet.
37 in the back final, 35, let to go.
Fairchild traffic, Cessna 97 Juliet, right base, runway 27, Fairchild traffic.
Fairchild traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot's 12 mile final low approach runway 27, Fairchild. Another 700 feet to lose after we pass, until we reach FAMUV at 3,700, correction, 3,000. You have the VPATH indicator, VNAV indicator plus our advisory vertical guidance down to the LP minimums, both showing. VPATH enunciated. It's capturing. Out to the glide path, so that checks, speed checks, gear coming down, taxi light on. We're only a minute from FAMUV, 3 green. Drop up to 25. Altitude goes to 4,000 for the miss. Slight turn at FAMUV.
Fairchild traffic, Cessna 97 Juliet, clear runway 27, Fairchild traffic.
Fairchild traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot turning a 7 mile final low approach runway 27, Fairchild. 3 green, approach less mixtures rich, props at 25. Runways in sight. Got about 2,000 to go. We're on our profile, 110 knots and about 18 inches. Traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot 5 mile final, low approach, runway 27, Fairchild. A little bit of a tailwind, just light winds though at the surface and aloft today. About 1,000 to go. About 500 to go. About 200 to go. Fairchild traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, short final, low approach, runway 27. We'll be departing westbound, Fairchild. There's our missed approach point coming up. Fairchild traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot's overhead the airport, turning northwestbound. Fairchild.